Bloodfalls is a strange natural phenomenon in Antarctica, where bright red water seeps out of a glacier. The red color comes from iron-rich water that oxidizes or rusts when exposed to air, giving it a blood-like appearance. This water has been trapped beneath the glacier for millions of years, cut off from light and oxygen. Scientists believe microorganisms thrive in this extreme environment, making Bloodfalls a unique study of life in harsh conditions. Despite its creepy appearance, Bloodfalls isn't harmful. It's a rare example of nature's hidden wonders. Like and subscribe for more crazy facts.